Hello everyone, today we are playing build a tractor. I have upgraded my tractor to this. Look at this bad boy. It's so huge and a lot of fuel. Let's go under, 100 run or something. Let's go. This doesn't mean how much people like my death. It means stop calculating for the Uber shop. I will not be showing you how much lady tractor. I will just be showing you. Come on, don't have it. Wait, why would I use that? Move, go. Come on. This is taking way too long. So I will. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what you need to buy in the shop to become a pro. Just wait a bit. You need this, that, this, this. No, not that. And some fuel. Okay. And you also need these two items. Oh! Okay, this, and this. Okay, now let's launch again. Oh, and you also need an engine and crafting. So don't mind all the stops and bad voice. Don't mind that. Oh no! Oh no! Come on, let's try to beat my maximum. By the way. Okay, I'm going so fast. If I turn down the boost, I'll go even faster. But I don't need it right now. Well, that looks pretty cool. A booster and a wheel build. Oh, hell, the way I also don't understand why it says grass, but here it's literally wheat. But I don't know, but it's okay. Let's go. Okay, I'll just return because I don't really want to do that. I'll say in chat hi. Okay, whatever, man. I'll just say hi. What you want? What do you want? The shop. Oh! Come on. Oh my god! There's that rocket booster! Okay, fine, I'll buy it. My god. Okay, this will take away. Wait, does this take away fuel? Yeah, one more I can become the world fastest tractor. You need lots of fuel. You just need it. You need fuel for this game. Put any type of fuel on your tractor. You need it, like I told you. Let's try to go full speed. Because I wonder what it will be full speed. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. Wait, I'm not even going that fast. Come on, I need to get more speed. Okay, I'm clearly fast right now. Oh no, the core. Wait, maybe I need to put the core. No, I don't need. Oh, I just. Come on. Ah, come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. I just lost half of my tractor. That's bad. Oh, So, okay, that was a pretty good run. I'll be ending off this video today. Bye bye, everyone. Like and subscribe.